Meet the CB Mango Heat Pump Dryer. It comes equipped with 14 trolleys and a total of 336 trays. This system is designed for large-scale production, handling a batch input of 1,000 kilograms of fresh mango, output 350 kilograms of premium dried mango. Each tray is fitted with a special silicone mat. This prevents the mango from sticking, ensuring perfect dried mango output every time. At the heart of the system is a powerful 25 horsepower heat pump. The heat pump, combined with electric auxiliary heating, delivers a massive 120 kWh of thermal energy per hour. It also achieves an impressive dehydration rate, removing 75–90 liters of water every hour. 4 high-performance 1.5 kilowatt axial fans work tirelessly. They create an enormous air circulation volume, moving 64,000 cubic meters of hot air per hour. This ensures rapid and uniform drying. Inside the 6575C drying chamber, the result is beautiful golden dried mango slices. For the perfect texture, we recommend drying mangoes between 50–75°C. This temperature range delivers the best mouthfeel. Be cautious with higher temperatures, as they can make the mango tough and chewy. Discover the CB Fruit Dryer Advantage. Our heat pump mango drying technology offers an energy-efficient, low-temperature solution. Thank you for choosing CB. At the end of the video, enjoy the complete dryer.